Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. So I'm going to do a lipstick demo for you guys. This is 902C by Wet n Wild. This is the MegaLast. It's called Bare It All. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the lips. If we like it, if we don't like it. So it is a nice smooth formula. It feels a tad bit thicker. You can feel that automatically. In comparison to like a traditional lipstick, it does feel thick. Thick is like hydrating thick. So what do you guys think of the color? It is pretty. It looks like it has more, it's like a nude. Obviously, I think it said bare it all. It is a nude color. I think it needs like a little bit more dimension to it. So I'm actually going to just try this is 900B Pink Sugar. I'm going to try this color in the middle of it. See how it looks, if it looks better as an ombre. Yeah, I think it looks totally better as an ombre. See how I gave it a little bit more depth to my lip? It's not just like one plain solid color. So, once again, the base of this was Bare It All 902C, and the middle of this ombre was 900B Pink Sugar. I hope you guys enjoyed these little lipstick demos I give you. If you do like this video, want to see more videos, please leave a comment down below and hit that little subscribe button and a thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.